About this item: double-sided and magnetic writing surface, board dimensions, 40 x 28, frame included, writing surface size, 38 x 26. You can easy to write on both sides, or one side writing and another side attach paper pad. Magnetic board, easy to post notices, smooth and durable surface, easy to writing and clean and no stain will stay. 360-degree rotating and height adjustable, 360-degree rotating design allows you to turn the whiteboard with stand to a landscape position to write or view just like you would on your office desk or table at home. Adjustable height from 40 to 75 inches, suitable for kids and adults at office, home, classroom using. Stand firmly and easy to assembly. Magnetic whiteboard is built with U-stand and anti-slip reinforced rubber feet, making the whiteboard easel stably when writing or erasing. Our standing whiteboard come fully pre-assembled. You had to do is screw on 2 knobs. It will unboxed and set up in 5 minutes. User-friendly, lightweight and easy to carry around. The board itself is only 5 lbs, for indoor teaching, meeting, or outdoor activities. Equipped with flip chart hooks, elastic clip and marker tray, you can hang presentation materials or paper pads on its flip chart hook or paper clip and place dry erase markers or eraser on the marker holder. No more mess for your floor. Comes with pen set, 3 markers,